Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of animals. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at a majestic creature that roams the Arctic tundra, the musk ox. Musk oxen are a fascinating species that have evolved over millions of years to adapt to their extreme environment. From their thick, shaggy fur to their large, curved horns, every aspect of their anatomy has been designed to help them survive the harsh, cold climate of the Arctic. But how did these incredible animals come to be? Join us as we also look at their evolution. So buckle up and get ready to learn about one of the most fascinating creatures on the planet, the musk ox. The musk ox is a majestic animal that inhabits the Arctic tundra, and it is one of the most interesting creatures on the planet. In this video, we will explore the life, habitat, and diet of the musk ox. Musk oxen are large mammals that can weigh up to 900 pounds and stand up to 5 feet tall at the shoulder. They have a thick coat of fur that protects them from the cold climate of the Arctic, and their long, curved horns are used for defense against predators. These animals are herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of grasses, sedges, and other plants that grow in their habitat. They are known to graze for up to 12 hours a day, and they have a complex digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from tough, fibrous plants. Musk oxen are social animals and live in herds of up to 20 individuals. During the mating season, males will fight for dominance, and the victor will mate with multiple females. The gestation period for a musk ox is around 8 months, and a single calf is born in the spring. The habitat of musk oxen is the Arctic tundra, where temperatures can drop to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. They are well adapted to this harsh environment, and their fur, which consists of a coarse outer layer and a soft underlayer, provides excellent insulation. The musk ox is a fascinating animal that has adapted to the extreme conditions of the Arctic tundra. By understanding their life, habitat, and diet, we can appreciate these magnificent creatures and work to protect them for future generations. The musk ox is a species of large, hoofed mammals native to the Arctic regions of North America and Eurasia. The evolution of these creatures dates back to the Pleistocene era, around 2.5 million years ago. These early ancestors of musk oxen were much smaller than their modern-day counterparts, and they lived in a more temperate climate than the Arctic tundra where musk oxen are found today. Over time, musk oxen evolved to adapt to the harsh conditions of the Arctic tundra. They developed a thick, shaggy coat of fur to protect them from the cold, and their broad, flat hooves allow them to walk on snow and ice. The evolution of musk oxen also involved the development of their horns. In prehistoric times, musk oxen had straight horns, similar to those of modern-day sheep. However, over time, their horns evolved into the curved, formidable weapons that we see today. These horns are used by males to fight for dominance during mating season and for defense against predators like wolves and bears. Despite facing extinction due to hunting in the 19th and 20th centuries, musk oxen have made a remarkable recovery. Today, there are around 80,000 to 130,000 musk oxen in Alaska, Canada, and Greenland, and they continue to thrive in their harsh Arctic habitat. The evolution of musk oxen is a fascinating story of adaptation to an extreme environment. From their ancient ancestors to their modern-day survival, musk oxen have proven to be a resilient and remarkable species. It's not uncommon for people to wonder who would win in a fight between different animals, and musk oxen are no exception. When comparing musk oxen to other Arctic animals, it's important to understand their physical abilities and behavior. Musk oxen are known for their large size and muscular build, and their curved horns are formidable weapons. They are also highly social animals and will work together to defend themselves and their young from predators. One of the most common predators of musk oxen is the Arctic wolf. However, musk oxen have been known to successfully fend off wolf attacks by forming a protective circle around their young and using their horns to attack the wolves. In comparison, polar bears are another common predator in the Arctic, but they are much larger and stronger than musk oxen. In a one-on-one fight, a polar bear would likely be able to overpower a musk ox. Caribou are another common Arctic animal, and while they are not predators of musk oxen, they do share similar habitats. In a fight, a musk ox would likely have the advantage due to their larger size and formidable horns. Overall, it's difficult to say who would win in a fight between musk oxen and other Arctic animals. Their ability to defend themselves and their young, as well as their size and strength, make them formidable opponents. However, larger predators like polar bears may still have the upper hand. In the wild, it's best to appreciate these animals for their unique adaptations and behaviors, rather than pitting them against each other in hypothetical fights. Musk oxen are one of the species that are most vulnerable to the effects of climate change in the Arctic ecosystem. As temperatures rise, the environment becomes less predictable, and food sources become increasingly scarce. Musk oxen are struggling to adapt. One of the primary challenges that musk oxen face is the availability of food. Rising temperatures are causing plant species that musk oxen rely on to grow earlier in the year, which means that by the time musk oxen migrate to their summer grazing grounds, the plants have already withered and died. This is forcing musk oxen to change their migration patterns and travel further in search of food. In addition to changes in food availability, musk oxen are also facing other stressors related to climate change, including more severe weather extremes and disease. These stressors can weaken musk oxen, making them more susceptible to predation and decreasing their ability to reproduce. Despite these challenges, musk oxen have some adaptation strategies that may help them survive in a changing climate. For example, musk oxen have thick fur that helps them retain heat in cold temperatures, and they can reduce their metabolism during times of food scarcity to conserve energy. Musk oxen also have a high degree of social organization, which allows them to work together to defend against predators and find food. This social organization is especially important during times of stress, when musk oxen may need to rely on each other for survival. Climate change is having a significant impact on musk oxen, making it increasingly difficult for them to find food and survive in their Arctic habitat. However, their unique adaptation strategies, including their thick fur and social organization, may help them to persevere in the face of these challenges. Musk oxen have a long history in popular culture, appearing in literature and art. The animal's imposing size and striking appearance have made it a favorite among artists and writers for centuries. In modern times, musk oxen have also become a focus of conservation efforts. The species was once threatened with extinction due to hunting and habitat loss, but conservation efforts have helped to stabilize their populations. Today, musk oxen are protected under international conservation agreements, and their populations are monitored and managed by wildlife officials. Modern-day conservation efforts aim to study the ecology and behavior of musk oxen, as well as to develop conservation strategies to protect the species. Conservation initiatives are critical to ensuring the long-term survival of musk oxen in the face of ongoing threats such as climate change and habitat loss. By studying the species and developing targeted conservation strategies, researchers and wildlife officials can work to protect musk oxen and ensure that they remain a fixture in popular culture for generations to come. Overall, musk oxen have played an important role in popular culture throughout history, and they continue to be a focus of conservation efforts today. As we work to protect this species in the face of ongoing challenges, we can also appreciate their unique beauty and importance in our culture. Thanks for watching this video about musk oxen and their evolution. As we've seen, these incredible animals have a long and fascinating history, dating back millions of years to the Pleistocene epoch. Despite facing numerous challenges including hunting, habitat loss, and climate change, musk oxen have persevered and continue to thrive in their Arctic habitats. Through their thick fur, social organization, and other unique adaptations, musk oxen have managed to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. But as we've also seen, these animals aren't invincible. Conservation efforts are critical to ensuring their long-term survival, and it's up to all of us to work together to protect them. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.